Welcome back to your computer application class, class 6. In this part of the video, we will switch over to your new topic, that is chapter number 6, presentation visual effects. In this chapter, we will learn about the introduction of presentation, how we can create presentation. We also learn about the different views of presentations. Along with it, we will learn about note pages, slide page, how to add transitions, animations, and how to import the data from one application to the another application. Let's begin with the introduction of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is basically MS Office software program. With the help of PowerPoint, we can create various presentations. Presentations, also known as slideshow. Presentations are very useful when you have to share your idea with a number of people or with a group of people. A presentation can be made with the projector connected to the personal computer. PowerPoint allows you to take printout of individual slides, outlines, and speaker notes with printer. Presentation is a very powerful feature of MS PowerPoint. The creation of presentation become lot easier with the help of MS PowerPoint. For example, PowerPoint can be instructed to make pre-designed presentation and the same can be modified according to your need. There are some features of PowerPoint which are mentioned here. Some of them are word processing, outlining, chart, drawing, insert multimedia, and web support. The first feature which we have, that is word processing. With this term, we can understand that we can create bullet list, find and replace text, and multiple font type sizes which are available in MS Word. We can use it in PowerPoint presentation. Next, we have outlining. We can make presentation by using outlining format. We can import outlining text with MS Word or with other word processing softwares. Next option we have, that is of chart. We can insert charts in PowerPoint presentation. We can create number of shapes like arrows, cubes, rectangle, stars or triangle. Any type of drawing we can create in our presentation. Next option which we have, that is insert multimedia. With the term insert multimedia, we can understand that in our presentation, we can insert number of images, pictures, photos, sounds, video clips according to our requirement to make our presentation more attractive and more appealing. Next option which we have, that is a web support. With the term web support, we can understand that we can present a presentation with the help of HTML coding. These can be modified with the help of browser according to our requirement or according to the requirement of the consumer. These PowerPoint presentation can also be displayed in the form of hyperlinks, or it can be shared with the help of hyperlinks. Our next concept is views of presentation. In MS PowerPoint presentation, we mostly have 4 types of views to display our presentation. First is normal view, second is slide sorter view, third is reading view, and the last is slideshow view. Normal view is the default view of PowerPoint presentation. Normal view have 3 panes. First is tab pane, second is slide pane, and the third is note pane. Next we have slide sorter view. With the help of slide sorter view, presentation slides are displayed in the thumbnail version. We can copy it, we can cut, we can paste, and we can even change the position of the presentation easily with the help of slide sorter view. Next we have reading view. Reading view display a presentation in a slideshow view, but in a slideshow view we get the full screen. In the reading view, we will get the full screen along with status bar and title bar. Last, we have slideshow view. In the slideshow view, the slides are displayed in the full screen on the monitor. Looking much like a slide projector display, we can see the effects of transition, built effects, slide timing, and animations. In the next part of the view, With the help of computer, I will explain you how we can insert transitions, animations, and how we can import data from one application to the another application. That's all in this part of the video. Thank you.